Hey, this is Matt for AVNation.tv. We are here in sunny Orlando, Florida for InfoComm 2019. We are in the AVPro Edge booth with my friend John. John, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. John, let's talk a little bit about a couple of things. Most people who know AVPro Edge know you for your extenders, your balance, some of your matrices, things like that. They may be unaware that you also have a full line of video wall products, as well as a phenomenal line of test and certification products. Let's talk a little bit about the video wall product, how it works, what's involved in doing that, because let's be honest, that is becoming a massive part of most integrators' businesses.
Yes. Okay, so yeah, first of all, we got started with the video wall type activities with our Cloud9 matrix switch.
Right.
We added those features, those capabilities to it. And that's been a great success. But it was a switch in which if you didn't need a full video wall with all these other features that the Cloud9 offers, we really didn't have a solution for that until today, pretty much. Today we introduced a new video wall. We call it the Fresco. Okay, and it's a simple 1 in, 4 out. We have it playing behind us here. What's kind of cool about it, among other things, is that it can be expanded. In other words, if you needed a 3x3 video wall, you can actually stack the units, and they have loopback connections on them.
Cascaded?
Yes,
really?
Absolutely, yes. So if you want a 3x3, you stack 3 units.
Okay.
So that's going to give you 3 additional outputs that you may or may not find useful, but it will give you the
9x9.
The 1x9. Yeah.
Very nice.
All right, and then the star of the show, really, as far as that video wall, is the ease of use. Okay, the ease of setup. I mean, literally, the slogan goes that the most difficult thing about using or setting up a Fresco video wall is hanging the panels themselves.
Really?
Yeah, it's that easy.
Okay.
I mean, literally, you take a measuring tape, you hang the panels, you get the tape out. We're using millimeters, not inches.
Okay.
So you have.
So I'll be right at home.
Right,
Being a Canadian, I got it.
Okay. And you just go through and you measure the bezel widths and all that kind of stuff. And then on the software, you simply enter that information into the software.
Okay.
And check a couple of boxes and hit a button that says generate video wall, and you're done.
Really?
Yeah, totally done. And one of the cool things with the software is that it's free. You just download it from our website. The software will allow you to save video wall or monitor display measurements. Okay. So that you can build your very own library of display measurements for future use.
So if your company is essentially standardized on LG hospitality units, or Samsung hospitality units, or whatever panel it is, you can just set that up and have it ready to go.
Yes.
That's fantastic.
You just open it up and hit the load the panel, select it, and hit OK, and it's now in there.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Let's talk about resolutions.
Okay, yeah. One of the big stars of the show. Absolutely. So the resolutions range from 720p to 4K 44460. Okay, now we're the only ones doing 4K 44460. Right, there's lots out there doing 30, but we're doing 40 or 60. The resolutions, you can set them on the fly as needed, and it's fantastic. It's, again, so easy. When we see it on the software, you'll see exactly how it goes down.
So when we start talking 44460 and we start looking at things, is it something where you can come in and just go straight out of the panel, or do we also have network outs? What's our opportunities?
Well, it just comes straight out of the connections here. There's 4 HDMI connections out the back side. We have also in the back of the unit an Ethernet connection, so you can control this unit over IP. That's kind of a big, huge new piece to this. In the past, generally the way you controlled this unit or configured it, set it up, was only through RS-232 connections. Okay. So now you have a full IP connection as well.
When you're using HDMI, what's our limitation if we want to reach 4K 44460?
Well, with HDMI you have cables that can only go so far. There's recommended. The official recommendation is 10 feet.
Yep.
But we have some bullet train cables that we manufacture that we can go 50 feet.
Okay.
If we need to, we can, of course, use extenders.
Right.
So we can do, it just depends on how far.
And you might have a couple of those you could offer us too.
Yes, we do. We have fantastic extenders
Okay.
that will also handle 44460.
Perfect. So best practice, mount it close to the video wall. Keep that processor close, because again, you can connect to it remotely over the network as long as it's sitting there.
Yes.
Availability?
The Fresco video wall is available today,
Fantastic.
and it's on our website.
All right. So for more information, people want to find out about Fresco, about your test instruments, about your full line of products, the extenders,
Yes.
etc. Where can they do that?
You can go to our website, which is www.avproedge.com. And when you get to the home page, there's a little drop-down menu under the Products tab. And when you click under there, you'll see all of our products broken down by categories. So you have switch categories, extenders, our COM4X products, as well as there's now a new section in the products that says Video Wall.
Very nice. All right, thank you so much, John. Appreciate
Thank
your
you,
time.
Eric.
For more
My
coverage
pleasure.
from the show and to learn more about AVNation, please visit avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.